Hey folks, just a very quick explanation. D2L's got a new feedback tool I wanted to use for SA3. So what I did here is came into assessment and came down to assignments. Okay, and I'll show you all the assignments, of course, this semester, what's been submitted, what hasn't, when the due dates were. Um, and all you have to do, scroll down to SA3 final, and it'll show one submission, one final, and then over here, I'll feedback, and you hit read. You'll come down here and it will it'll show your submission and then your inline feedback over here. There'll also be a rubric attached so you can see your rubric. Then you'll see some feedback. I can highlight, handwrite. Mostly I'm just using pop-up notes as I ordinarily do with in the PDFs I send back. And then there's going to be comments at the very bottom of your paper, so look for those. Okay? If you got any questions, as always, don't hesitate to let me know.